When I get me taking up my mono because tupa ya gani runene video lawyer Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. One of it can go soon and go alone. The latest update regarding the issue of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so far and what the court, what we are going to face in the court in the few days to come, months to come, weeks to come. Now, the lawyer Kuchalogu, before I get home, let me read you a piece of article that has been circulating on social media. I get one thing. Because now, say, for dear lovers of freedom, I am currently departing to Sokoto with Prince Emmanuel Kanu. Following our visit to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at Museum Correctional Center in Sokoto, we have been with him since yesterday. In other words, it's automatically clear that now Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no Sokoto State. So, one night we happen esigo n'aka ndị Yoruba na kpuo n'aka ndị Hausa achifiche ebe a ga-eduzi ya. So the kid dunya Benue, so the kid dunya Makode, so the kid dunya Jos, so the kid dunya Obolo Far North. Eba Hunacha. In the history of Nigeria, so two planes na Agba Sokoto. Kangwazeno the truth. So two planes na Agba Sokoto. Isada nega Sokoto through Kanu. Onega Sokoto through Abuja. I think Isada Kanu or Abuja. And the kede plane na Reno Air. Reno Air or Remo Air. Hana Agba Sokoto and the Air Rig. These two planes na Agba Sokoto or Airpiece. In that thing, more plane na Agba Sokoto lo hito. And Haneme interconnect. Interconnect. Mwike Bulondi Kanu or Bulondi Nwanne Bulu Haje Sizeba Haje Bozo. So the question is, Keka Hasi Buko Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is either na Hasi Abuja Abuli Agawa or na Hasi Lagos. Bapule Mbuti Lagos, Size Lagos, Wefenia. So these people now confirm that na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu no Sokoto State. Obodo anwo na acha. Obodo eji anwo amiano. Onwa tomatoes. People have not been there before. Ne Sokoto ne Niger. And Nagwagi ne Niger ne Chad ne Mali. They are all connected. Natakundi ne le pure water no Sokoto bu billionaires ka have millionaire. Because millionaire ga head ya. Anazi kuku maka mosquito na ata eba. Anazi kuku maka. When last ki gagde no wa. Gina mmadụ megide business onye asị gị n'osi from Sokoto State. When last achọcha ebe a eduje nwanne anyị nwoke ọbụla Sokoto ka anyị na-agaba. Despite the challenges posed by his present circumstances, he remains confident and God Almighty is with him and will continue to support him. He is also actually aware that the struggle for freedom often involves intimidation, arbitrary court orders, attack from adversaries of freedom, hatred, and envy. He has instructed all supporters, enthusiastic freedom lovers of freedom, dedicated lawyers and consultants, as well as the Igbo community at large, to stay focused and not be distracted by social media posts and analysis, often sponsored by his opponent, who interpreted a case that have neither particularly in or reviewed thoroughly those neglecting the judiciary misconduct committed by the judge. In other words, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu makwa that now no na abandon silike, especially when you have ndine intimidating man. Ndine ha like ikwu eziokwu. Ndine ji ihe ha nwere oppress onye ọzọ. Ndi hitili ndị Igbo generally because for being an Igbo person alone in this country, you're automatically an enemy to the system. That's when you my video post last week. In that video, I said, never you allow Kingwe police problem within the Yoruba. Obuni no Lagos, Buloni Igbo. Ikwena Kingwe, except in EG, but only Abono was with the gauge there. That is when it will favor you. Monobloka commoner na commoner. It will never favor you. It will never favor you. I'm talking from experience. And the Bulonyi Igbo, we take case of Bulonyi Yoruba na Georgia, on ya frustrate until you people decide to go and make peace. And it's as simple as that. Then, obviously, after all the analysis with fact and document, you will now be the judge yourself. Before you read or share anything written by anyone in this matter, ask the person if he has seen the record of proceeding of the matter. The full record of proceedings will certainly show you how a judge left the case presented before him and the testimony of the prosecutor's witness, and be talking about other issues Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Another issues of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu represented himself. I may not go into that in public. I can say that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu never sacked Chief Kanu Agambi, led the legal team. Rather, they left an understanding reach that with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he has instructed that no one should comment on that issue. That in again no one can see bad in kata already within them. So then don't wanna ask again Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jenga because no hate no true lawyers here. What you represent young man na court, what GM that you should not pay attention to that. You should not pay attention to that. So can we hear by saying, finally, I want to assure you that the Court of Appeal will definitely set aside the judgment that was predicated on anger and hatred, and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be set free. Yours faithfully, Chief Maxwell Okpara, PhD. Like I said, there were some mistakes of Ndigbo na game, some of Ndigbo. Can I put this issue of it in the mother na comment section? Can I pia? Openly when like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you should not go about na balen mother nekunka cause if only another thing that has to do with something reasonable. Obole naturally watch the video or naturally go the article. Leave there. Stop displaying your level of ignorance and amarihe na comment section of mother. Ya favor nekumaka political something or na nekumaka church or ya nekumaka ihana or something that has to do with everybody social struggle. Marapte seba free Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Why are you not talking about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? You check your profile on your share na profile ya Don Jazzy, Brenjota, Sabinuso, Fino, Egu Flavor, Mandan when I name interview and I na Joan Bolona Kidi na go okay all these things or ebana name skit on komido here na funa post on yaho manoji picture Mazi Nnamdi Kanu we me profile picture. Or man share post that has to do with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Man opata comment go na bamba. You know just when you show the corner. Let us stop this. The earlier the better for us. So the end of this video, Kwenu for the lawyer for the concluding part of it for the one.
My people, this is Sokoto. I've been in this town for the since 2 days now. Today is the 23rd day of November. I came to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I have been with him since yesterday, so we have been discussing. So he's in Sokoto Correctional Center here, and what we are asking now is this: somebody whose appeal is in Abuja, and they're putting him in Sokoto, and if you want to file some processes, would the federal government made a private jet available for him to take him to Abuja. After filing his process, they take him back. So that is another issue that is giving us concern, because the place of jurisdiction where he's going to do his appeal is in Abuja, and it's on record that all the filings that has been doing, he has been doing it by himself in Court of Appeal Abuja Division. So there are some things that he needed to file there, including affidavit. He cannot do it. Everybody is frustrated. Everybody, we are handicapped. So we are now looking for the next line of action on what to do. But meanwhile, at least for the first time, at least I have seen him. He's in to confirm that he's in a Sokoto prison here. So I will be leaving to Abuja now. Then thereafter, I'll keep you people updated. Thanks and God bless you. Well done.